There's this scrub I just heard of. Yeah, it's a scrub in the market. It is very, very good for knuckles, for dark area, for dark feet, dark hands, elbow, knees, those that used to have all. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel with my skincare product review, supplement review, DIYs, body enhancement, all those big places you want to enlarge it. So that's what we do it on this channel. Feel free to check around, check my previous video. I have a lot of secrets in this channel. So if you would like to know more or learn more about skincare, you definitely want to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified each time once I drop a new video. Today I won't be saying much, I won't be staying long, so I'll be making it short and quick. There's this scrub I just heard of. Yeah, it's a scrub in the market. It is very, very good for knuckles, for dark area, for dark feet, dark hands, elbow, knees, those that used to have all those joints, all those your joints that used to be very dark than your normal hand. You understand? There's this scrub that just came out. I don't know if the scrub just came out, but I just started hearing of the scrub and I tried it on a particular client, and this scrub did marvelously well. Yeah, this scrub did marvelously well. This scrub helped the other products I gave to her work fast. This scrub is actually very, very good, and you can get it from the market, from anywhere in the market. You understand? This is the scrub. The scrub is actually around 2,000 or so. The scrub is not also expensive, and it is very, very effective for dark areas, dark elbow, dark nails, dark whatever, like any dark area you would like to clear on your skin. This scrub is going to work perfectly well for that area. All you have to do is scrub at least 4 to 3 times in a week. I'm going to be teaching you how to mix this scrub and how to get the best results out of it. And the scrub I'm talking about is your Vit Gold scrub. Yeah, it is Vit Gold scrub. This scrub is actually underrated. This scrub, like, I don't know if you've actually used this scrub. I'm sure you didn't use it the right way, or you haven't got the best results out of this scrub. This scrub is actually underrated. It is not so expensive, but it is so good and so affordable. It is Vit Gold knuckle scrub. You understand? Vit Gold knuckle scrub. I will try as much as possible to leave a picture of the Vit Gold I'm talking about, so once you go to the market you will know the exact product you're getting from the market. So the first thing you need for this mixture, yeah, you won't be using it alone. Fine, if you use this product alone, you are going to get a very good result out of it. But to further get a very excellent results from this scrub, I'll be giving you the recipe on how to mix it rightly. So you get 1 cup of your Vit Gold knuckle scrub. That's the first thing you need. 1 cup of your Vit Gold knuckle scrub. The next thing you need is your Saturday leg cleanser. Yes, it's Saturday has leg and it has face. Do not get the face. The face is for the face, and the face might not be as effective as you want for the body or for your joints and all. So you need to get the Saturday leg cleanser. You had 2 tablespoons of your Saturday leg cleanser into this mixture. You also add 1 teaspoon of your lactic acid, and lactic acid is the real deal in this mixture. Lactic acid is an exfoliant. It will help you. Normally lactic acid alone, just that lactic acid cannot be used alone, and it's so strong that if you misuse it, it might end up damaging your skin. If not, lactic acid alone can help peel up any dark thing on your skin. Like if you have a very dark place on your skin and you apply lactic acid on that area, that place is going to peel off. Like it is going to peel off that place. But you do not want to damage your skin by applying it directly on your skin without any precaution. You understand? So you add 1 teaspoon of your lactic acid into your Vit Gold knuckle scrub and 2 tablespoons of your Saturday leg cleanser into this mixture. Mix this very well. Apply the scrub on wherever you have that dark spots, maybe your elbow, dark area, apply this scrub on that dark area. Scrub for at least, you understand, for at least 5 minutes, you understand. Scrub that particular area, scrub very well, to try and get rid of the dead skin cell. The thing you will start noticing is, after using this scrub for at least a week, you start noticing a mild peeling, like a mild peel on that area. That scrub is very, very good. Combined to all these ingredients are now added to it, man, you're going to get that desired result from this scrub. Mind you, you do not want to scrub your knuckle and leave it dry, because it is very wrong for you to scrub a particular place and leave it like that. It is going to end up being dry, and if it gets dry, it's going to end up getting darker or not even getting any results, you understand. So once you get the scrub, to scrub that area, once you scrub that area, leave for at least 10 to 15 minutes, then you wash off. You want to make sure to go in with a dark area cream, you understand. You want to make sure to go in with a dark area cream or dark area oil, just so that place can stay moisturized, just so it can work well, and you will be able to get rid of that dark part. In less than 2 to 3 weeks, you are done with having issue with dark knuckles, dark nail, dark foot, even dark feet. The good thing about this scrub is you can use it on your hand. For some people that once you get a cream, you need an hand cream extra. For this product, you don't need an hand cream extra. Please pardon the noise from the background. I just had to film this video for you guys. So you don't need an hand cream extra if you have this scrub. What you need to do is get this scrub along any good lotion you are using, you understand. Once you scrub that dark area with this scrub, apply your normal lotion or your normal cream on that area. You will see a very good result. I mean, those people that used to, so for those people that used to get their leg cream separate, hand cream separate, because they have a darker hand and a darker feet, you understand, you don't really need to go extra miles. Just make this scrub for yourself, particularly for just that your dark feet and dark hand, you understand. Once you're applying the normal cream, make sure to scrub your feet and hand and apply this cream, my dear. You're going to get a marvelous result from this recipe. Please guys, if you've watched my video to this extent and you've gotten a value from it, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified next time once I upload a new video. Thanks for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.